Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite friends and earn money with the survey app Attapoll. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Attapoll app, then go to the invite friends section here, and at the invite section you have two choices. In the middle of the screen you can see your unique referral code, which you can use to send it to your friends. Just by tapping on it, it's going to copy it to your clipboard, and you can send that to your friends so they can sign up and start making money. Or you can also tap on the invite friends icon, which is going to open up the contact list, and you can send your invite code there. When your friends sign up, you will receive 10% of their earnings each time they complete a survey. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.